Most traders don't lose because of bad entries. They lose because their stop loss is exactly where smart money expects it to be. If your trades keep getting stopped out, then going to your TP target, you're not unlucky. You're the liquidity. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly where stops should be placed to prevent getting stopped out and then having the full move to your TP. So let's get right into the video. So coming right into the market, first thing I want to see is, are we respecting bullish or are we respecting bearish for value gaps? In this case, we're respecting bullish for value gaps. What's that telling us? That we most likely want to go higher. We are in an uptrend. Let's go on the 1 hour time frame. What are we doing? Well, we're disrespecting bearish for value gaps. Beautiful. Again, respecting bullish for value gaps. We had the rejection here. Why wouldn't we have the rejection here? So now let's go down to a 15-minute. Let's see. Asia, what do? We made a new high. We made a new low. London, what did we do? We didn't take out Asia high, nor did we take out Asia low. This is a beautiful accumulation, manipulation, and distribution model right in front of our eyes. So first thing I want to mark out is our sweep on Asia lows. Beautiful. Now let's go down to that lower time frame. And say, for example, right here, oh my God, beautiful inversion for value gap. And right on that break, we want to take that entry, right? That's where a lot of people would take their entry. But what ends up happening? We end up getting stopped out. Now you're going to say, Alexander, what the hell? Why am I getting stopped out over here? Isn't this an A+ entry as you just mentioned? No, this is not an A+ entry. Just because you have an inversion for value gap means fuck all. It literally means nothing. So what you want to look for? You want to look for a manipulation. Manipulate these lows. And now we're changing the trend direction. We manipulate these lows. Now what do we have? That inversion for value gap. What do we have above? Market structure shift. Guys, we just added 2 extra indicators for a confirmation. Now we want to wait. We have higher time frame on our side. Once we have this full break, which we're going to get on this candle right here, now we want to put our entry at this area. Now, where are you going to put your stop loss? You're going to put your stop loss here? No. Why? Because if we come down, we can sweep these lows, tap inside of this fair value gap, and respect it and continue to push higher. So putting the stop loss there, not good enough. What about we put it at the body close? Body close, that would honestly be good, because if I see price wants to continue lower, then I wouldn't be interested in this model. It just shows that the inversion for value gap wasn't strong. And now I'd want to see a push lower if we can have a close below that area, which of course that's not what I want. So stop loss goes right below these lows. And please, if you're trading without a stop loss, get the fuck out of the video, bro. Please leave. Please trade with stop losses in all seriousness. It's very important. And inversion for value gap. Now what do we expect? Had a monstrous move to the upside. So guys, stop loss is very important. Places right always at the body. And if you do have a long wick, then consider the wick. Trust me, you're going to get stopped out a lot of times, and then it's going to have the move to your TP. So guys, honestly, it's very important. Do not take trades just off inversion for value gaps. You always want more history behind it. Like in this area, we have that manipulation. We have that market structure shift, which is confirming the trend change from the downtrend to an uptrend. And we have that inversion for value gap. Let's move on to the second example. So looking at price on the second example, what do we see? So looking at price action over here, first thing I notice is we have a double bottom. 1, 2, 3 times we're tapping into it. What is this telling me? This is telling me that this zone is so key for liquidity that we are most likely going to have the rejection higher. So again, go on the lower time frame. Let's see, what is price telling us? Well, okay, 2-minute time frame. That's nice. What do we see? We have a inversion for value gap. We actually have 2, so let's just stack them together. And I'm going to put the entry right there, and stop loss, as I said before, right at that wick. Now let's see. Did I trick you again? What are we missing over here? What are we missing? There is no manipulation leg. No proper manipulation leg. I hope you caught that. So again, What do I see over here? Manipulation leg. Inversion for value gap. Higher time frame is on our side. You take that entry. Stop loss, as I said, at the body, but if you have a long wick, include the wick and target the highs. This is a beautiful 2RR trade. This is most likely going to go higher. Let's see. Are we going to go higher? We should. Honestly, probably even the zone is going to get tapped and possibly the zone in the future, but this is going into PM, so there we go. We ended up tapping it. For what I'm trying to say, guys, stop loss should always go at either the body or the wick. Keep in mind, it's very possible if you put it at the body, you do get stopped out and have the push higher. But if you want full 100% confirmation, put it at the wick. It's never going to fail you. Trust me. Might get stop rated. It's possible. It's the market. It's normal. But at the end of the day, always wait for a manipulation leg, then enter on the inversion for value gap. Once you have that and you have higher time frame confluence, there's no reason for the trade to fail. Guys, I hope this video made sense to you. I hope you understand. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, subscribe, please. And let me know in the comments what you think. Other than that, if you want to learn one-on-one with me, I have a little mentorship down below. And I also day trade in it. So if you want to copy my trades, that's also a nice place to be. And yeah, so hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Mwah. Peace, brother.